Good day all and welcome back to our channel. So today let's discuss about how to display product price as tax included and excluded in Odoo 14 website. So tax included means that you sell a service or product at the same price for all customers at all times in all countries. The excluded tax amount will be all time the same and the taxes will be calculated before the payments during the checkout and added to the excluded tax price depending on your customer reviews. So when we are working with consumer or in case of e-commerce, the prices are usually expressed as tax included. But when we are working in business environment, the company usually negotiate the price with tax excluded. So we can set product prices as included, tax included or excluded. In our website we can find option for that. So when you open website module and go to configuration settings, there you can set product pricing method. So here when you search for tax, you can see that option product prices displaying in web catalog. So let me choose the first option, that is tax excluded, and save the settings. So after saving the settings, let's make a purchase from e-commerce shop. That is, customer makes a purchase from e-commerce shop. Let's see what happens. Okay, so first let me open the products and show you something. Like if I open cable management box, here I haven't set the customer price taxes. Okay, so I've added a customer tax here, 15 percentage, and save this. So you can directly go to website from here, or else if you go to dashboard, from there we can go to website. So and here open shop. So in the e-commerce shop, when you search for the product cabinet with doors, sorry, cable management box, you can find the price, that is tax excluded, that is $100. And when you choose this, you can see the price here. So the customer can add this product to cart. You can also use the quantity from here. So if we click add to cart, so here you can see the tax is shown separately here. That is, here we can see the page to make payment, that is process checkout and make payment. So here in the lines you can see the product and the tax line can be seen here. What the- So if we search for cable management box, can find the price is $100. So the tax is not shown taken added to this price. And if the customer click add to cart, so the product will be added to his cart, and you can see one more product this was added before. So if he don't want this to be ordered, just delete that. So if we search for cable management box, can see the price is $100, so the tax is not included. The price can be seen here without tax, and he can increase the quantity. A customer can increase the quantity and add to cart. So if you click add to cart, you can see all the products in his cart. So if you don't want this cabinet with doors, which was added to his cart before, so just remove this. Okay, so you can see cable management box. So here you can see mm, the order total, which shows the subtotal, and you can see the taxes separately, that is 15, and you can see the grand total is 150. So here you can see the tax is not added, that is, it is not included in the line. It is just shown in the order total as separate. So this is how excluded option works. And then after this, you can make the payment, process checkout and make the payment. Then after this, let's check the case tax included, how it works in our shop. So for that, we have to go back to our website module and change the configuration settings. Okay, so let's change it to tax included and save the settings. So when you come to e-commerce dashboard and go to website, okay, so let's come back to our shop and make the payment. Select the product, cabinet with doors, sorry, cable management box. So here you can see the price is tax included, that is 100 plus 15, that is 15 is tax. So you can see the price is shown as tax included, and from here also you can see the price, total price is tax included, and you can add this product to customer can add this product to cart. So here we can see the price in the line, that the line here you can see uh, price is updated by adding the tax. So this is same as before, that is subtotal is shown as a price and tax is shown separately, and the grand total is shown as uh, tax amount plus the product price. So this is how we display product price as tax included and excluded in Order 14 website.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.